I received this mini dustpan from Power Stone Pumice, and look how nice it is. And it is so cute. It measures 8 inches by 6 inches, and this is perfect for your home or office, RV, or your boat too. Perfect for small spaces, and it's so nice that it just slips right inside there. There's also a hole here so you can hang it up on a nail, and look how easy it is to come off. And this is what it looks like, and this is the dustpan, and this also has this lip right here so you can easily dust your items onto the dustpan. Here's a close-up of what the brush and dustpan looks like. It also has a silicone handle and easily fits inside here. And this is what the dust brush looks like. As you can see, it does have an angle so you can ergonomically hold it and sweep up everything easily. And these are the bristles. Very nice. And this is what the dustpan looks like. Has a lip right here, and you're also going to notice notches on both sides. And that is so after you sweep it up inside here and you still have debris on your brush head, you just use it to clean off your brush. And you can even use it on this side as well. Simple as that. This is such a fantastic dustpan. Perfect for hard to reach corners. You know, sometimes in your kitchen, the dust bunnies go into the corner, then you can easily sweep them up. Perfect. Just love this, and I love this bright lime green color, and they also have other colors as well. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.